guys, welcome to Our Family B. Today I'm coming at you with a Walmart grocery pickup and my Amazon finds that are good because they're cheaper and they are all keto. So let me show you what we got. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so that you don't miss anything else coming out. Also, check us out on Instagram at Our Family B Social and our website, which is ourfamilyb.com. So let me show you what we got. All right, this is what we got, guys. Walmart. Let's start over here. Please excuse any of the mess behind. It's cleaning day and it's a total wreck. Okay, we've got some Head and Shoulders. I've had a problem with some dry scalp dandruff. I don't know. We're going to try that. Bananas, mostly for Brielle and some for Benjamin because they're easy to cut up. We've got coconut liqueur. Now, tell me, are you in the camp love it or hate it? Because I feel like it's not anything in between. But this with a little bit of leftover cold brew and cream, oh, so good. Let me know in the comments down below if you like it. A lot of baby food for Brielle because I didn't really have time to make anything this week, and so we're just going to go with this for her school. We've got some basil and grape tomatoes for a recipe, a caprese salad. Going to have that. Celery for a recipe for loaded chicken salad, I think it is. We've got some sausage for Benjamin in the morning. Like I said, the stuff from Costco is a little too spicy for him, so that's easy in the morning. Not the cleanest, I know, but it is what it is. Some ricotta for a chicken stuffed peppers recipe from the Keto cookbook, which I will link down below so you can check it out. This is also for that same recipe, I believe. We've got some tomato sauce, and this is good just to throw on ground beef to flavor it. Lots of uses for it. Hot sauce, one for here and one for work because we go through it like candy. I'm going to use this with the sour cream for dressing on my salad because this is really no sugar and it's creamy. And when I don't want balsamic and olive oil, that's good with this. Also got some mozzarella to shred and some of this mozzarella for the caprese salad. Got some cottage cheese, which I used to hate, now I like. And I like to add peanut butter with some pecans or any other nuts as a good snack. And it's lower in sugar and it's very filling and very fatty, which is good for keto. Got some avocados, which I thought I just got the bag, but apparently I got 4 other ones also. Had no idea. Hopefully they weren't expensive. You can see here for the price. Also got some chia seeds, good for some recipes, chia seed pudding, but don't eat too much of that. You will regret it, if you know what I mean. Also got some flaxseed. We're going to make some flaxseed crackers, and I can also put it in the grinder and make some ground flax for other recipes. And also they gave us this, which is not keto. So some muffins. I am sure Benjamin will love these as his special treat, you know? And I forgot these Quest bars. So I got 2 flavors, birthday cake and cookies and cream. One of each for each of us. So as a protein snack when nothing else is around, we've got that. So next up is Amazon. Here's my Amazon haul. So the electrolyte powder that I was talking about is this Keto Vitals, the mango flavor. They have other flavors. I want to try the other flavors too. We got some xanthan gum for some recipes. Also this MCT oil, which we put with coffee, like when we have hot coffee or when we use the blender, we can use the xanthan gum and use it with our cold brew and some ice. But good healthy fats there. We've got this stevia, the vanilla, and I also have the regular stevia for some recipes. Our ghee, which is really good actually. And then this comes in a 2-pack. It's coconut manna or coconut butter. And it's so good in recipes or just by the spoonful if you want some healthy fats. and it's way cheaper to get it online. And I do the subscribe and save. So for 2 of these, I think it's under $12, and usually in the store, 1 of these is just maybe $9 or something. It's ridiculous. Here's our favorite coffee, which is Pete's Major Dickinson's Blend. We get it on subscribe and save, and we go through probably 3 to 4 bags a month. This is the filter, and if you haven't seen our cold brew recipe, I will link it down below. It's super easy. We make it in bulk. It's the best coffee ever. Brandon figured out how to do it, and I don't know, every other one we've tried we don't like, and this is far superior to anything store-bought in our opinion. And then also we have these silicone molds that I use in Benjamin's lunches and also for recipes for fat bombs. You can bake things in it. They obviously have a bunch of different sizes. I will link those down below too. So all of this is on Amazon. You can check out the description box. I'll put everything down there so you can see. Here's my electrolyte drink. So it's just that stuff right there. And I mixed it with some Perrier so it's carbonated and bubbly. It's so good, you guys. You have to try it.